Okay, I'm audible. Okay, so what we discussed actually in our previous session with me, we already created our first application, right? So can you please tell me what is the step of creating our first application? Simply, we can create a core Java project only, right? Then simply we can add our dependency only, right? Yes or no?
Uh-huh.
For example, mainly six dependency, like uh, just let me show you this one also. Like mainly we need to use our Spring, we need to use application context, and application context is our actual Spring container, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Application context is mainly our Spring container. So the Spring context module provide our application context. Spring context module, you know what does mean by module, right? Maybe I discuss in detail what is module. Okay. So I think no need to explain anything. So simply you can say module means simply a jar file, Spring context jar. Okay. And internally Spring context jar file depends on Spring AOP and Spring expression, and Spring AOP internally depends on Spring beans, Spring codes in JSON. So if you want to use Spring context module, obviously you need to download all the modules, right? So we can manually download and we can manually download and we can add to the class path. Otherwise, we can use, okay, welcome person, whatever. Otherwise, we can create our Maven project, right? Yes or no? I think no need to explain anything, right? Okay, how to create our first application? Okay, you asked the question. So with no problem, I'll discuss again. Don't worry about this one. Okay. So any question how to create our first Spring application? Simply we can create a code, simply a Java project, right? Simply Java project. And can you please help me? Can you please help me? No need to click here. Simply uncheck. Then what? And simply one name, right? Any name. For example, day 6. Okay, day 6. Then what? Any name. Your wish. Simply next. Simply code Java program, nothing more than this. Finish only. And sim right now it's a code Java program, right? So
Mm.
how to make it Spring? How to make it Spring project? Can you please tell me how to make it Spring project? Please tell me. Okay. First of all, I think no need to write once more time. Can I copy? Can I copy? Can I copy everything?
Eh, Yes, sir.
Okay. So consider this is a what package, right? com.jxop. Okay. For you, let me write once more time. Don't worry. Simply, first of all, let me create one project. Sorry, one package, any name, for example. Please help me. Com dot. I forgot everything. Then what I should do? Okay. So simply this is our demo bin.java, right? Any simple Java program, right? So this is our,
Mm.
okay, let me copy this one. Or should I write again? I think no need to write. Simply let me copy Control C, or directly let me copy this program also. Okay. This is simply a code Java program, right? Yes or no? Do I need to explain here
Yes.
anything?
Yes.
Okay. So in this package, okay. So in this package, this is our program, right? Yes or no? So can you please tell me, is
Yeah.
it Spring Bean or not? Right now, is it Spring Bean? Is it Spring Bean?
No.
Why not? Why not Spring Bean? Because we are not
Config
right? We are not
configuration of.
we need to configure with Spring IOC container or IOC container, right? Yes or no? We need to configure
Mm.
with
Yeah.
IOC
Yes.
container. So can you please tell me how to configure with IOC container? Can you please tell me how to configure with IOC container? And before that, this is our core Java project. This is our core Java project. How to make it Spring project? Can you please help me how to make it Spring project
Adding dependencies, jar file.
in the jar file? So for example, we can right click, okay, build path, like properties, or otherwise you can click your build path. For example, configure build path. And can you please help me where I should click here? Like source packages like this,
Libraries.
like this. For example, module path, we need to click here class path. We can add library. I think no need to explain here anything, right? For the new members, I am showing again only. Then I am explaining. What you can see right now. See what?
Add library.
Okay. So for example, like
User
add
library.
library, user library. Okay. Next. Any
Dependencies, Spring dependencies.
You can create a new library or cancel. Let me directly add here, like for example, Spring dependence, right? Or let me show you. For example, click on new any name. Can you please suggest me any name like Spring jar file dependency? Yes or no? Okay, any name, right? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Then simply add external jar. You need to add all the jar, right? Okay, you know how to download the thing. You know already you know all the things. For the new members, if you want to know, simply you can watch our recorded videos, right? All the videos are available in the YouTube. Okay, Control A, simply open. Nothing more than this. Like apply and close. Okay, finish. Apply. Apply. Okay. So right now, can you observe? Okay, this is our day 6 project. And okay, Spring jar file and dependency, all the module are available, right? We already included 6 module, right? And why we are including
Yeah.
6 module? Can you please tell me why we are including 6 module? Can you please tell me? Because we need to use our Spring container, right? Spring IOC container. What does mean by Spring IOC container? Application context only, right? And the module,
Yeah.
the Spring context module provide application context. Internally, application context module. Internally, can you mute yourself?
Present.
Internally, Spring context module depends on other module, right? So we are adding, right? So this is the simple reason only. Now, if you practically each and everything why they depends. Leave this one. So right now, this is our core Java, simply core Java program, right? Simply a class. Is it a bin class? Can you please tell me, is it a bin class? Is it a bin class?
No.
No, this is not a bin class, right? So we need to configure. We need
Yeah.
to configure with IOC container, right? We need to configure with IOC container. Okay. So can you please tell me how to configure? Mainly there are 2 types of configuration, right? Yes or no? How many types? 2 types only, right?
2 types.
Can you please
Yeah.
tell me what is the name? Manual configuration and auto configuration, right?
Automatic.
And there
Yeah.
are 3 types of manual configuration. Can you please tell me XML based, then Java based, then
Notice.
Annotation
Harvest
based.
annotation based.
you know the first. Any confusion up to now? I'm not discussing anything today new. I'm not discussing anything new today, right? Okay. Then can you please tell me what I should do? How to configure? How to configure? Can you please tell me? Anywhere we can write in XML, right? XML.
Yeah.
Okay. So where anywhere you can, for example, here like source new. Okay. Then for example, file or other. Okay, XML file finished. Can you please tell me what is the name? Can you please tell me what is the name? Any name?
Application context.
Okay, application context. XML, right? Any confusion? Any name we can use? Okay. So can I copy from our previous class? Can I copy from our previous class this application context? Can I copy all the things? All the metadata, can I copy? Can I copy up to now?
Yes.
Control A, Control C, simply let me copy. Control A, Control V. Simply let me delete everything. Okay. So why we are writing like this way? Maybe I discussed in detail in our previous class, right? Any confusion up to now? Simply I copy and paste, nothing more than this. And why we are writing, I'm not explaining again today. I'm not explaining again today. Okay. So leave this one. Now let me discuss actually. Let me discuss how XML based configuration. Okay. So right now, this one, this one. So this is our demo bin. This is our demo bin. We need to configure. We need to configure. So simply let me open our application context, right? Application context. So can you please tell me how to configure? Please tell me how to configure. How to configure? Can you please tell me how to configure?
Write to class.
Right? This is our predefined and why we are writing. Any confusion? Why we are writing? Why we are writing this one? Any confusion?
No, no, sir.
Anything? Okay. So can you please tell me simply? We are using one technique.
Bin. Bin.
Bin.
Please. Okay, which class? A. Please configure. It means you are telling to the IOC container, hey IOC container, please configure, right? Configure and manage this class. Okay, what is the class name, boss? What is the class name? Simply we are writing
Demo bin.
right? Like com.z
Demo bin class.
com.z
Demo bin.
So simply let me write. Okay. Please help me. Then
Class.
which class? Simply full
Com.z.
Let me copy from here. Okay.
So,
Yeah, fully
Yeah.
qualified now.
See? Okay. So simply nothing more than this control. Okay. So simply we can configure like this. So nothing more than this. Okay. Any confusion to understand how to configure? Simply one line only.
Awesome.
Okay. Now let me test. Let me test how to write the main program, main class. Can you please tell me anywhere we can write the class? New.
There is a there is something missing in the package name, Jacksoft.
Thank you.
Uh,
T is missing, right? Okay. So simply right now is it okay? Right now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Class, so main class, any name, for example, name. Okay. So please help me. I forgot everything. Please help me. What I should do? Main method only, right? Okay. Then what I should do? First of all, what I should do?
Application context.
I need to create a Spring container or Spring IOC container. How to create? How to create? There are multiple ways, right? Can you please tell me new? Okay. Class path, XML application context. Okay. Or file system XML application context. Yes or no? Can you remember like new file system
Application,
system
external applications,
XML application.
application
Is it
context.
okay? Is it okay?
And
So what we should pass?
XML file
What is the name of
with
X1 file name.
with path name
Okay, so simply right click. Okay, right click.
properties.
Properties. Then simply you can copy it.
Copy.
Simply you can click here. Nothing more than this. Let me click here. Okay. Simply let me paste it. Nothing more than this. Is it okay? We already created application. We already created our Spring container, right? Okay, equal one. For example, container. Okay, we have created the container and you can write here application context. Okay, any confusion to understand? Control Shift.
No, sir.
Okay. So already we have created our container. Now you can order to the container. Can you please tell me how to order? How to order the IOC
Container dot get bin.
Okay. So a container. Okay, a container dot get bin. Okay, get bin. Get bin. Okay, now. Okay, which class
Object
you want?
passer.
Which class you want to get?
Object demo bin. New demo bin.
Directly you can write like this. Open dot class. Okay.
Demo bin dot classes.
Or okay. So simply you can access or you can use. What is the method inside the demo bin? And you know what will happen.
Yeah,
What will happen? You know all the internals, right?
yes.
What is the error here? Is there any error? I think no. Control X. Okay. So for example, let me comment this line. So can you please tell me whenever we are creating, just try to understand the flow, right? Whenever we are creating the application, whenever we are creating the IOC container, right? We are creating the IOC container. So IOC container will load the XML file, right? Yes or no? IOC container will load the XML file. In the XML file, we are telling the IOC container, please create this. Okay, please manage this object, right? And whenever I will tell you, you will tell me, you will send me this object, whatever. We are telling, hey, IOC container, please configure this class, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, now whenever we will run, you know, at the time of object creation, constructor will be called, right? Constructor, this code will be executed. This code, right? This code will be executed, right? Yes or no? Whenever object will be created, it will be created, constructor will be called. Okay. Simply let me run. Okay, up to now. Okay. Alt Shift X change. Okay. So can you observe object is created? Okay. Object is created. Is it okay? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Confusion to understand? I hope no, right? So simply already object is available, right? Already object is available and you know all the internal. Okay, IOC container is a big object, right? Where this container is available inside the JVM memory only, right? Okay, I think no need to explain this right now. So so object will be created. This is the demo bean, this is the demo bean, and bean is pointing here, right? Bean is pointing here. So can I call this method? Can I call this method? Can I call this method?
Hmm.
Bean.m1,
Yes,
can I
sir.
call this method? Can you
Yeah.
please here? Bean.m1, right? Bean.m1, Control S, Alt Shift X. So up to now, okay, is it okay? M1 method inside the demo bin. Okay, up to now we created it in our previous session, right? I didn't explain anything. Okay. Any confusion, please tell me. Can you please tell me to understand? Do you have any question? Any single line? Please help me. Please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone? Okay. Okay, leave this one. Okay. So now just please tell me. Just please tell me. Okay. So for example, for this class we can get multiple objects, right? For this single class we can get multiple objects. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Can you please tell
Yeah.
me how to create another class? How to configure, how to create another object in that class?
Bean, class,
Right? Just
we have to write
copy.
fully qualified.
Okay. Control C. Okay. Control V. Nothing more than this. Okay. Any confusion? Any confusion?
No,
Okay. Now,
no, sir.
okay. Already there are two objects, right? There are two objects. There are two objects. Yes or no? There are two objects, right?
Mhm.
Any confusion
Yeah.
to understand
Hmm.
why there are two objects?
Mhm.
Because we are using two big tag, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are two objects. Now please tell me what will be the output right now. We
Uh,
have created
two
an
time object is created.
yeah, two object is available, right?
Mhm.
Inside the IOC container, two object is available. Inside the IOC container, two object is available. But we are telling container.getBin demo.class. So IOC container is thinking, array, there are two objects, right? There are two objects. Which objects I need to return, right? Which objects? So there is an ambiguity problem, right? There is a confusion, yes or no? So simply IOC container will throw an error, right? Or should text, okay. Simply let me run. Can you see we are getting an error? Is it okay? So what is the answer actually? What is the summary point? We can access any class like this way if only one object is available, right? We can get the object like this way using class name dot class. We can access like this way when if only one object is available, right? If multiple object is available of the same class, if available, then can we access like this way? Please tell me. Can we access
No,
like this
sir.
way? We cannot access like this way, right? Any confusion to understand up to now? Okay,
No, sir.
just understand, for example, here one object will be created, another object will be created, and your IOC container assign one name. Whenever IOC container create the object, IOC container provide one name. Can you please tell me what is the name of the object? Can you please tell me what is the name of the object? That means what? You cannot answer. Means
Moving.
you didn't revise the previous class, right? Okay. What is the default name? Right? Fully qualified class name, right? Dot. Okay. Checks. Okay. Yeah, single S. Okay. So, okay. Then demo bean, then hash zero only, right? Hash zero. This is the name only, right? Yes or no? This
Yeah.
class name hash zero. Okay.
Hmm.
What is the name of the second
Mhm,
object?
yes.
Can you please tell me what is the name of the second object? com.jexof.demo hash one only, right? Means index number. Nothing
Yeah.
more than this. Any confusion? Please, you will practice that. Okay. So
No, sir.
we cannot access like this way. We cannot access like this way. Simply we can access like this way, right? It will be n hash zero only, right? Is it okay? This is the default
Yeah.
way. And simply you can typecast, okay? You can typecast. Any confusion? Any new member? Any confusion to understand this line? Any confusion?
No, sir.
If you want, you can see the hash code, right? Okay. This out. Okay. Like bin, that means, okay. For example, bin dot hash code. Okay. Any confusion to understand? Okay, how to access this? Okay, up to now, let me run. Or shift text. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay? Why second time we are getting object is created? Can you please tell me what is the reason? What is the reason? Because
Because
we are
two times
configuring,
object
right?
created.
Okay.
Yeah.
For this one object will be created, so constructor will be called. For this, again object will be created. Okay, so constructor will be called. Any confusion to understand? And for
No.
this line, okay, for this line, okay, demo bin, we are getting the, we are telling, hey, container, give me this object, right? Give me this object, so it will return. We are calling the method, okay, and okay, we are calling the method, and this is our hash code. We are printing the hash code. Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again? Now, can you please tell me how to access the second object? Can you please tell me how to access the second object? Can you please tell
Using
me?
hash index number.
Same thing.
Hash
only.
one.
Can I copy? Can I copy everything?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Control B. For example, this is bin one. And what is the how to access? This is just one only, right? Is it okay?
One.
Okay. Then okay, bin one dot m1 and like bin one dot. Okay, is it okay? Is it okay? Can I run? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. M1 method inside the demo bin. Okay. So I hope you can see there are two different textbooks. Is it okay? Any confusion to understand?
No, sir.
Is it clear?
Hmm.
Okay. So now please tell me, can you please tell me? Okay. So this is the by default name, right? This is the default name. This is the lengthy name. Consider the class name is, okay. This is the class name, fully qualified class name. So it is not recommended, right? To depends on the default behavior. We can assign our new name, right? We can assign our new name. How to assign our new name?
Yeah.
We can say ID.
Using ID.
Okay, like demo one. Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
So object will be created. Right now, what is the name of the object? Demo only, right? Is it okay? Demo one only, right? Is it okay? You can assign ID.
Yes.
Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Can you please tell me? Okay. So simply we can, okay, instead of writing like this way, demo one. Okay. Demo one. Can I run this program? Is it possible to run this program? Is it possible to run this program? Please ask
Yes,
us.
sir.
Yeah, sir. Possible.
Just observe, think carefully. Read this line also. Is it possible to run this program?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are calling
Yes,
demo
sir.
one,
This
sir.
is
But
this is
the
a
ID
second
is
object.
demo.
Thank you first of all for your answer, but I don't waste, okay? Don't want to waste that time. Okay, observe. So one object will be created, right? So what is the name? Demo one, right? Is it okay? Demo one, right? Okay. So another object will be created. Right now, what is the name of the object? What is the name of the object? From.jexof.demo bin S0 only, right? This is the name, right?
0, yes. Yes.
Not one, not one.
Okay, index 0.
So we will get an error. Right now, we will get an error. Why will get an error? We will get an error just because of this line. Let me run this program also. Alt Shift X and J. Alt Shift X. Okay. Are you observing? We are getting the error, right? Why? No bin. Okay. If you see the error, just observe. No bin name com.jx of demo S1. Just clearly telling, right? Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay, boss? Okay. Simply we can access like S0. Okay. So let's Alt Shift X. There is no error right now. Should I repeat again anything? Should I repeat again anything? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. So if you
No,
want,
sir.
you can
Clear.
assign, if you want, you can assign, right? You can assign the ID also. ID equals to, for example, demo to your name, your wish. Or if you want, you can write this line at the beginning. It control X. You can write here also, no issues. Okay, control S. So can I access like this way? Alt Shift X. So we will get an error, right? Why? Because there is no name demo being hash 0. Okay. Is it okay? Right now, what is the name? What is the name? Can you please tell me? Demo 2 only, right? Control S or shift text. Please tell me if you don't get anything, please tell me. Is it okay? Have you got my point? Have you got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. New member, are you getting the point? Okay. If you can understand, simply you can type also, whatever. So I hope you got this point. Now understand some internal also. For example, one object will be created. What is the name? Demo1, right? Is it okay? Demo1, right? Is it okay?
Hmm. Hmm.
If you want, you can assign multiple names. Also, for example, D1 pointing the same object, D2 is pointing the same object, D3 is pointing the same object. If you want, you can get this, also, you can get this also. For example, this is your object, demo1 is pointing. So you want to assign another name. Right? For the same object, you want to assign another name, right? Is it okay? This is our requirement. So simply, you can use another attribute. For example, name. For example, D1. Okay, any name you can use D1, right? Is it okay? So what will happen?
Yes.
This is the object. Demo1 is pointing here. Also, D1 is pointing here, right? Is it okay? Is it okay? Simply, let me show this one also. Okay. Right, Control C. Let me paste here. Control V. Simply let me write here D1, Control S, Alt Shift X, something wrong maybe, like in T, and in T, Control S, Alt Shift X. Just understand. So are you observing? Are you getting the same thing? Same hash code? Same hash code. Why the same hash code? Why we are getting the same hash code? Because the same object only, right? Is it okay? Is it okay? Please first confirm me.
Yes.
Okay, if you want, you can assign multiple name also. Okay, as a separator, you can use space. Okay, so simply you can assign multiple name. For example, D2. Like D2 as a separator, we are using your space. Or if you want as a separator, you can use comma. Like let me use comma. For example, D3. Or if you want as a separator, you can use semicolon also, right? Simply, first of all, let me access Control S. You can check. You can check. No need to waste the time here. For example, D2 also. Control S or Shift text. You can explore by yourself. No need to explain here. Okay. So please tell me, have you got some basic idea how to configure using XML? Is it okay? Please tell me. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. New member, can you please tell me? Are you getting my points? Or simply you are wasting your time? Which one? Okay, if you know the core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, then only maybe this course is helpful for you. Otherwise, I don't think this is helpful for you. Okay, leave this one. So now please tell me. Now let me go other configuration, right? For example, Java-based configuration and annotation-based configuration, right? So before that, let me answer your question. So up to now, maybe I discussed in detail, okay, what is actually module, Spring Story, or what is actually container, right? Maybe I discussed one to explain the single word to make you understand the single word, what is container, right? I explained in details, right? Can you please confirm me, yes or no? To understand the container, what is container, who create the container, where container is available, right? What is actually container?
Hmm.
Okay, what is IOC
Yes.
container? Why Spring container is called IOC container? This is the very popular interview question. Why Spring container is called IOC container? What is IOC? I hope you can feel. Maybe I skipped one term, like what is dependency injection, right? Okay, intentionally I skipped, but right now let me explain what is dependency injection, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
leave this now. Okay, so leave about dependency injection. First of all, just confirm it. Consider this is your class. So can you please tell me what is dependency or what is dependency injection? Just do you have any idea? I'm waiting only 30 seconds. Any idea what is dependency injection or what is DI?
DI means dependency injections, and it is the passing the
Observe. So
keeping
can you
the
please tell me main tasks of Spring IOC container, the main two tasks of Spring IOC container? IOC container. Can you please tell me? Anyone ask you what is the purpose of IOC container? Can you please tell me? First of all, manage the Spring life cycle, right? Spring Beam life cycle. Okay. Yes or no? Like creating the object. Okay, managing the object, deleting the object. Yes or no? And another main task. Can you please tell me what is the main task? Can you please tell me? Actually, for dependency management. Dependency management. If anyone asks you what is the purpose of Spring life cycle, that simply you can say 2 point manage the Spring Beam life cycle. Okay, for managing Spring Beam life cycle or Beam life cycle, you know what does mean by Beam. Okay, and for dependency management, Okay, first of all, understand, leave about dependency injection or dependency lookup, leave everything, just understand dependency injection. What is dependency? Can you please tell me what is dependency? What is dependency here in the context of Spring? What is dependency? Can you please tell me what is dependency? Can you please tell me what is dependency? Okay. Consider, for example, interface, consider one engine, right? Any method name inside this, for example, like void stuff. Okay. Is it okay? Just here. Is it okay? Any confusion? Consider
What?
like one interface. Consider one class. Okay. Any class name, can you please suggest me? For example, petrol engine. Okay. Petrol engine. Okay. Extend or implements. Which one? Implements. Okay. Implements engine. Is it okay? Is it okay? Are you getting my point? For example, void start. For example, anything you can write here. Like consider.
Body.
Okay. Sys out. Okay. For example, petrol engine. Okay. Petrol engine. Okay. Consider another engine. That means what? Consider this is our interface. Consider this is our interface. Okay. Engine and one class engine. Can you please tell me what is the one class name? Petrol engine, right? Yes or no?
No.
Is it okay? Petrol engine. Now please consider another class. Consider another class. Any name? Can you please suggest me? For example, electric engine, diesel engine, whatever. Electric engine, like implements engine. Are you getting my point? I'm simply explaining the code Java, right? Right now, I am not explaining this thing. Okay, simply code Java. Understand this code Java. This basic concept. Okay. Okay, I'll inject the dependency management very easily. Okay, without any pressure. So consider, for example, void start. If I make any spelling mistake, please ignore this spelling mistake. Okay, like sys out. Consider electric engine. Okay, electric engine. Any confusion to understand? Any confusion to understand? Can you please tell me? Please, can you tell me?
No, sir.
Consider one class. Okay, right now consider one class. For example, car. Okay. Okay, consider one class. So your car, your car needs the engine, right? So here one is petrol engine, another one is electric engine. Okay, E for electric, E for engine. Okay, this is the two implementation class. This is the two implementation class, right? Consider one car, right? This car needs the engine. Okay, this car needs the engine. Consider this is our main method. Okay, consider this is our main method. So can you please tell me how to create the engine object? Can you please tell me how to create the engine object? Please help me. New then. For example, consider in this car,
Engine.
I want to use petrol engine. Can you please tell me how to create the object? Why are you silent? Petrol engine only, right?
New petrol engine.
New petrol engine, right? Simply, okay, what will happen? Can you please tell me? One object will be created, petrol engine. Okay, JVM will return one reference. Okay, so if you want, you can store, for example, engine or any name. In here, you can use that type, right? You can use petrol engine, or can you use the interface engineer? Can you use the interface engineer in everything? Can you use the interface engineer? Is it okay? Is it okay? Have you got my point? Any confusion to understand? Leave about engine C. Are you getting my point? Why are you silent? Right now, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right now, is it okay? Just observe.
Yes,
This
sir.
is your car, right? This is your car. This car needs this petrol. This car needs this engine, right? Need this engine means your car depends on the engine, right? Your car depends on the engine. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can I say this engine is the dependency? This engine is the dependency. Dependency of what? Dependency of car. Can I say this engine is the dependency of the car? Can I say like this way? Car need this engine.
Yes, of course.
Car depends on engine, right? What about the engine? Okay,
Engine.
the petrol engine, electric engine, diesel engine. Okay, car depends on engine. That means what? This engine is the dependency. I depend on you. You are my dependency, right? Is it okay? Just one
Yeah.
minute. One moment. Is it okay? Any confusion to understand up to now? Should I repeat it?
Also,
No, sir.
Simply, for
No.
example. Okay.
Car depend on engine.
Your car depends on the engine, right? So can I say engine is the dependency? Engine. Okay. Simply let me write this line also. Yeah. Just let me make it comment. For example, okay. Your car depends. Okay. Depends on the engine. Okay. Engine. Okay. Simply can I say car is the dependency? Can I say car is the dependency? Is it? Can I say car is the dependency? Is it okay? Is it okay? Can
Yeah,
I
yes, sir.
see?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Observe.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for example, this is our car. Observe. For example, this is our engine. Okay, this is our engine, and this is the petrol engine, right? This is the petrol engine. Just observe. This is the petrol engine, and this is like a diesel engine, electric engine, whatever. Okay, electric engine. Now, you know who is the parent? Can you please tell me who is the parent? Engine or petrol engine? Engine is the parent, right? Yes or no? So instead of petrol engine, right, I can use engine also, right? You know, this is the very common sense and core Java only, right? Yes or no?
yes.
Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Nothing more than that. Okay. So first of all, simply let me do this one. Simply let me do this one programmatically. Just observe. Then I am explaining other thing. Delete everything. Okay. So for example, this is our day 6. Okay. For example, let me create another package. Just a moment. New package. Okay. For example, dependency. Okay. Nothing more than this. Close all. Observe. For example, let me write this one also. Then I'm explaining actually. I'm converting. I'm extending this one. For example, I'm creating one interface, right? What is the name? Engine. Okay. Is it okay? Consider. Please help me. Void and one method like start. Okay.
Start.
Now let me create. So I should create here. Just one moment. We need it. Let me create everything in this package. Like interface. For example, engine. One method name. For example, like void start. Nothing more than this. Control S. Let me create one class. Can you please help me? I forgot. New then class. Okay. Any name, for example. Why are you silent? Okay. Petrol engine only, right? Okay. Implements or extend. Implements engine only, right? Is it okay? Is it okay? Any confusion? I am explaining only core Java only, right?
No, sir. No. Yes.
Start. Like any name. Place.
Sound.
Why I am getting an error? Oh, see. Let me, for example, let me like here something like this is out. Okay, for example, like petrol engine. Petrol engine. Okay. Any confusion to understand up to now? Is it okay?
Yeah.
Why I'm getting error here? Wow. Okay. Right now, is it okay?
Yes.
What was the mistake? Okay.
Public.
petrol engine. Okay. If you want, you can ignore this. Okay. So let me create just another class. Just a moment. Okay, another class, for example, new class. Simply right now I'm explaining core Java only. Okay. Like electric. Okay, engine. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Hmm.
Okay, for example, implements
Yes.
engine. Okay. Is it okay?
Engine. Yeah.
I control one. Okay, if you want, you can delete everything. Okay. For example, sys out like electric engine, nothing more than this. Okay. Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again?
No.
Anything?
No, sir.
Not I should create. Please tell me one class. What is the class name? Please help me. Car only, right?
Car.
Okay.
Hmm.
In this card, for example, let me directly write the main method. Okay. Okay. Now please tell me. I want to create engine. Okay. New. Which one? I want to use petrol engine, right? Is it okay? Control one. Type engine. Should I repeat again?
No, sir.
Okay. So car engine. If you want, you can use your engine also, right? Instead of petrol engine. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay? Please help me. Is it okay or not? Are you getting my point? Any confusion? Please
No,
tell
sir.
me. Any confusion? So can I call the method?
No, sir. No.
Engine dot start. Okay.
Engine dot.
Can I run this program? All shift checks J. Right?
Yes.
Output, there is no issues. Okay. Petrol engine, right?
Yeah. Petrol.
Okay. Now please tell me. I already explained simply a core Java program. Now let me extend. Okay. Up to now, if you tell you are facing any correction, then I highly request you, please revise your core Java. Please revise your core Java, right? Okay, now please tell me. I am asking you some question. Right now, in this class, which is the dependency? Please tell me, which is the dependency? Please tell me, which is the dependency?
Engine.
Right? I'm asking you one
Engine,
question.
sir. Petrol engine. Yeah.
Creating the dependency. Who is creating the dependency? Who is creating? As a developer, we are creating the dependency, right? Who is managing this dependency? We are creating, right? Now, please tell me, understand. Okay. Understand, try to understand. So, first of all, I hope you got this point. What is actually dependency, right? So, if anyone asks you what is dependency, what should be your answer? Can you please tell me what is dependency? Simply, dependency is an object only, right? Yes or no? Based on the concept, maybe the answer is different. So, if anyone asks you, okay, what is the dependency? What is the dependency? Please, can you answer me? I forgot.
Dependency is a object.
Simply an object, right? An object. Other
Yeah.
class, okay, depends on this, okay, or relay on this object. Yes or no? Any confusion to understand what is dependency? Why are you silent? What is
An
dependency?
object.
Simply, dependency means an object. Other object depends on this, right? Simply,
Depend.
dependency is an object, right? So, what does mean by dependency management? What does mean by dependency management? So, if anyone asks you what does mean by, okay, dependency management, what should be your answer? Please tell me.
Managing the object.
Yeah, simply, it is the process. Okay, so yeah, obviously managing that. What does mean by dependency management, right? Managing the dependency, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Managing means
Yeah.
what? Creating, okay. Creating the object, deleting the object, injecting the object, right?
Mhm.
Create, delete, okay, like inject, okay, inject or OER, okay. Okay. So is it okay? What does mean by dependency management? Just some basic idea, nothing more than this. What is dependency and what does mean by dependency management? Simply managing the dependency, like creating the dependency, deleting the dependency, injecting the dependency, wiring the dependency. Okay. Should I repeat again?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please try to understand. Up to now, I hope everything is easy. Everything is easy. Okay. Now I'm asking you some question. Now. Consider right now you are using petrol engine. Next day after tomorrow, or after 1 month, you don't want to use petrol engine, right? You want to use electric engine, right? You want to use what?
Electric engine.
Electric engine. Now,
Electric engine.
if you want to use electric engine, what you should do? What you should do? Can you please tell me?
So we can write engine
You
equal
yes.
to new electric
You
engine.
want to use electric engine. I repeat again, if I type anything mistake, okay, please try to understand. Okay, electric engine. This is the spelling mistake. Okay. Okay. So if you want to use electric engine, then obviously you need to change the source code, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
You need to change the source code. Okay. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not writing anymore. I highly request you. I hope you will watch the videos again and you will make your own note, right? I'm not writing. I'm not making the note. It needs the time actually. But I think I can explain more thing. Okay. So now, boss, I need to change here, right? I need to change here, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? What I should type here? What I should type here? I need to simply change this line. Okay.
Electrical engine. Yes.
Now, if I change this line, I need to compile again, right? I need to recompile. Yes or no? I need to retest. I need to rerun again. I need to test again. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, sir, of course.
I need to like make the jar file. Okay. You know what does mean by jar file or war file, right? I need to rebuild or
Yeah.
build the jar file or war file again, right? Yes or no? Then I need to
Mhm.
rebuild the server. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes.
So is it easy or difficult for us? We can do, but to change something, okay, I want to change a single line, right? Not single line, single one.
Yes.
To change a single line, understand? To change the single line or single one, I need to compile again. I need to test again. I need to build jar file or war file again.
Build again.
I need to deploy it again. Okay, even some more activities also, right? Is it? Okay? So this
Yeah.
kind of,
Yes.
okay, this is actually called tight coupling or loose coupling. Tight coupling, right? Is it okay? What does mean by tight coupling?
Okay.
Both? Consider there are two
Yeah, yes.
couple. So if you change here, right? If you simply modify anything, other person will affect it. Okay. So this tight couple or tight coupling is good in our real life, right? But not in the programming. Okay. Not in the coding. Tight coupling is not good in the programming or coding, right? Is it okay? Is it okay, boss?
Yes.
So tight coupling is the headache in our programming or in our coding, right? Is it okay? We got the point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you got the point. What does mean by tight coupling? So what is our goal actually? We want the loose coupling only, right? Yes or no? So can you please tell me if anyone asks you, boss, what is the tight coupling? Are boss? Tight coupling means what? Can you please tell me? If I change or modify any single line, right? We have to do a lot of works, right? Programmer needs a lot of work. Okay. Is it okay? Means we need to implement again, right? We need to implement everything again. So what is our goal? What is our goal? We want loose coupling, right? What is our goal?
Loose coupling.
Boss, what does mean by loose coupling? What does mean by loose coupling? Without changing, right? Without changing, I can modify, I can implement, right? For example, right now I am using electric engine. After a few days, I want to use what? I want to use, for example, diesel engine, right? I no need to change here. I no need to touch this code. I no need to touch or change the source code, right? Have you got the point? Have you got the point?
Yes. Yes.
What does mean by loose
Yes.
coupling? So what is our goal actually? We
Okay.
want loose coupling. What is our goal? What is
Loose
our goal?
coupling.
Loose
What is our
coupling.
okay? This is good. We want loose coupling. Okay. So can we know actually especially maybe for so you asked me previously, you asked me one question, right? Why we are doing so many things, right? So many difficult things. So maybe I deleted your question. Why we are doing same thing? Okay. I hope today only you will answer. You will answer. Okay. You will get your answer. Just understand. So just observe. Okay. Let me make it in Spain application context. Observe. Let me delete everything, right? Okay. Control S. Okay, understand. Actually, try to understand. For example, can I configure this petrol engine? Can I configure this petrol engine with Spring? Can I configure this petrol engine? Can I configure this petrol engine class with IOC container? Why are you saying
Yes.
how to configure? Please tell me. I forgot how to configure.
Bin
Bean,
Mhm.
bean,
class
Use, for example,
ID
engine. Okay. Okay. Enemy. Then class. What is the class?
class convert
petrol
that
engine. Sorry,
What is the class name?
package name.
Okay, this is the package name. Control C, Control V, and then petrol engine, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, yes, yeah.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mhm.
nothing more than this. Okay, so simply let me configure Control V. Okay, is it okay? Any confusion? Okay, so
No, sir.
right now, leave everything, right? Leave everything. So, okay. So can I create right now Spring IOC container here? So we configure with IOC container. IOC container will take care. Now please tell me how to create IOC container. File system.
New file system XML application context.
Just observe. So simply let me go application context. I click properties. Then what? Okay, copyright.
Application context.
So simply let me paste it. Are you getting my point? Any confusion? Control 1. For example, if you want, you can write like this way, container, right? Okay, boss?
Yeah, application context.
Application context.
Application context. Any confusion? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir, no.
Can you please tell me, can I request to the or can I order to the IOC container? Can you please tell me how to order a container? Okay.
Container.get bin.
Container.
I want to get bin. It's okay, boss. Which bin you want? Array, I want
Engine.
simply engine only, right? Okay. Engine only, okay? Is it okay?
Hmm.
We want please do one thing. Type plus
Engine.
string line, okay? Engine. Can I write like this way, engine? Is it okay?
Mhm.
Is it okay, boss? Simply code jam on. Is it okay? Is the answer. Any confusion? Any confusion, please?
No, sir.
Okay, here you can use
No, sir.
string. Okay. Consider simply, okay? And for example, e dot start method, right? Any confusion? Control S. Can I run the program?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Please tell me like Alt Shift X, Z, okay? So are you getting, we are getting petrol engine.
Petrol engine.
Is it okay? Now try to understand.
Mhm.
Right now, later I want to use what? I want to use electric engine. I want to use where?
Electric engine.
Yes.
Electric engine. Simply, can I change in the application context? Can I change here in the application context?
Yeah.
Electric engine. Can I change here?
Yes.
In configuration, yeah.
Can I run this program? Alt Shift X Z. Just 1 minute. Something typing mistake. Control C. Application context. No need to read even. Control S. Now let me run. Alt Shift X Z, right? Is it okay? Are you getting electric engine?
Yeah, yeah.
That means what?
Mm.
We want to implement, we want to change the implement, right? We want to change the implement, but do we need to, is it required to touch our source code?
No, sir.
Without
Only
touching the source
configuration.
code. Without touching the source code, we can implement. We can change the implementation, right? Without touching the source code, we can change the implementation, right? Yes or no? So we are getting loose coupling here, right? Yes or no? Is it okay? Is it okay? Have you got my point? So no need to recompile again, no need to test again, no need to build jar file or war file again, no need to deploy again. Simply we can change into the application context, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it okay, boss? Have you got the point? Some
Mhm.
basic idea first of all. Have you got your answer? Why we are
Yes, sir.
is it okay? So can you please tell me
Got
function of IOC container? Function of IOC container. What is the purpose of IOC container? Manage the for managing the bean life cycle, right? Bean life cycle and what? Bean life cycle. Okay. Life cycle. Okay. Life cycle. Managing the dependency, right? Dependency management purpose, right? Is or no? And it provides the
Yeah.
loose coupling also, right? Loose coupling, right? Is it okay?
loose coupling, yeah.
Have you got my point? The advantages? The advantages?
Yes, sir.
Why we are doing like this?
Yeah, yes.
You understand up to now? What is
Mhm,
dependency?
yeah,
Yes.
What is
clear.
dependency management? What is dependency? What is dependency management? Have you got my point?
Yes.
Okay. Let me
Yeah, yes.
do something. Let me. Okay, just understand. For example, okay. Do I need to write here? I hope it is not required, right? You can make your own note. Okay. So, okay. So simply, please watch the video and make your own notes. Okay.
Not.
Okay. Now please understand some concept. Okay. So what is actually okay? Dependency management, right? I hope you got the point.
Mm.
What does mean by dependency management, right? Is it okay? And
Yes.
Spring IOC container manage the dependency. Spring IoT container manage the dependency. And do you know there are two types of dependency management? How many types?
Two types.
Two types. Okay.
Two
Two types.
types.
One is first one is okay. Let me write like this way. One is dependency lookup. Which one? Dependency lookup, right? Dependency lookup, and another one is dependency management, right? Is it okay? Depend,
Mm.
okay, dependency lookup. So is it okay? What is dependency lookup and dependency management? Now dependency management, dependency injection. Actually, there are two types of dependency management, or there are two styles. Can you please tell me what is one is dependency, one is dependency lookup, another one is
Dependency injection.
dependency injection. Any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
What is most dependency lookup? Just it is very simple, and let me discuss with you in a moment. Okay, what is actually dependency lookup? Okay, first of all, can you please tell me the simple English meaning of the lookup? What does mean by lookup? English meaning of lookup? Nothing more than this. Simply English meaning. What does mean by lookup? What is lookup actually? Okay, can you please tell me? Simply lookup means searching, right? Right?
Mm.
Searching, right? Means what?
Yes.
You are searching, right? You are okay searching or looking up, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's repeat again.
No,
Is
sir, no.
you are
Search.
searching or looking up for what? For what? For what? For dependency, right? For object, okay? For dependency, right? Should I
Mm.
repeat again? Should I repeat again? What is dependency lookup? Simply lookup means searching.
No, sir.
So you are searching. As a developer, we are searching, right? We are searching for what? For the dependency or for the object. Should I repeat again? Should I repeat
Yeah.
again? Simply, bro.
No,
Sorry, that's simple. Array.
No, sir, no.
Consider. We are searching
Search.
manually. We are searching. Hey, container, please search. Please get me in. Please search this engine, right? Please search this object. Yes or no? We are searching manually. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Should I repeat again? Are you getting my
No,
point?
sir.
Yeah, sir, manually.
Yes, yes.
We are manually searching, right? This thing actually. Nothing more than this. Leave this on. Okay. So what is dependency lookup? Is it clear what does mean by dependency lookup?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear what does mean by dependency lookup?
Mm.
Yeah.
We are searching for the object. Okay, we are searching for the. Now please tell me, in dependency lookup. Okay, in dependency lookup, our code, your code, developer's code. Know the spin, right? Means there are some type coupling with the Spring API, right? With the Spring predefined code, there are some type coupling, right? This is the drawback of Spring Lookup. I repeat again. You are using getBean, right? You are using what? getBean. This is predefined or you're defined.
Predefined.
Means this is actually Spring API, right? So there are some type coupling with Spring API code, right? Spring API, right? Yes or no? We don't want this also, boss, right? Okay. So manually we are searching. Consider in the YouTube you are searching for Jack Software Academy, like for Spring class. Okay, you are searching the playlist for Spring full course. Is it okay? What does mean by dependency lookup? Is it okay?
Mm.
Have you got the point? Dependency lookup. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Means what? You are searching for the Spring class. Okay, Spring class in YouTube. Okay. Is it okay? You are searching manually, right?
Mm.
Should I repeat again?
Manually.
Okay. But what does mean by injection? Okay. I'm not explaining today about injection, but try to understand some basic idea. Okay. Mainly, boss. Mainly, we are not using dependency lookup. Mainly, we are using dependency injection, right? Mainly, we are using dependency injection. It is recommended, right? So there are two types of dependency management. Can you please tell me what is the name? One is dependency lookup, another is dependency injection.
Injection.
Dependency lookup means we are searching for the class. Okay. So what does mean by dependency lookup? For example, consider the analogy. Okay, what is the analogy means what? Okay. Actually, I am sending you the YouTube video link, right? Okay. Sending you the like Zoom class link, okay, Zoom class link or the playlist link, okay? Playlist, right? You no need to search. I am injecting, right? I am injecting you, right? Okay, means actually your Spring container injecting, right? Is it okay? Is it okay?
Mhm.
You don't need to start Spring container will inject. Leave about this one. Try to understand the dependency lookup. What is this dependency injection? I have to explain in details, right? Should I repeat again? Please help me. Is it okay? Have you got my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know dependency injection.
Yes.
Dependency injection. So what is dependency? What is dependency management? What is tight coupling? What is loose coupling? What is the purpose of Spring IOC container? How Spring IOC container provide loose coupling? Is it okay? I'm not explaining anything theoretical. Whatever I am explaining, first of all, either I'm explaining, then I am giving the theory, or I am explaining the theory, then I am showing in practical, right? In practically. Any confusion up to now? Please, can you help me? Is it okay?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes.
In
just
dependency lookup, we manually search the.
dependency injection means IOC container will inject, right?
Yeah.
We are searching the object, but IOC container will inject. IOC container directly will give the object. Leave about this one. So now please, actually there are three types of dependency injection. Okay, for example, okay, or some types. No need to understand right now, but I'm writing. For example, setter injection. Okay, like constructor injection. Okay, like field injection. Okay, right now is it okay? Am I audible right now?
Yes. Available.
For example,
Yes.
field injection, arbitrary method injection. But right now, leave everything about dependency injection. Just everything. Leave everything about dependency injection. Just, I hope you got the point. What does mean by dependency lookup? Now, the another point. Okay. Just some actually confusion. Most of the teacher make the confusion. Okay. Like what is like IOC? Okay. I hope you know what is IOC. IOC versus, okay. For example, dependency injection like versus IOC container, right? Something, okay? So can you please tell me what is IOC? What is IOC? You know what does mean by IOC, right? And what does mean by IOC container? In detail, you know. But can you please tell me here one more time what does mean by IOC? Please can you tell me? I forgot also. IOC means what? What is IOC? Simply IOC is a principle only, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Rules.
Okay.
Yes.
We can say a big idea, right? Big idea or some rules, okay? Some rules, nothing more than this. Is it okay? or like the philosophy or design philosophy, design strategy. Okay, philosophy.
Mhm.
Should I repeat again?
No, sir.
So, what is the spelling? Whatever, leave about the spelling. So I hope you know what is IOC, right? So maybe I explain like this way. Consider this is your IOC, some set of rules, some principle, some philosophy, or one idea, right? So one
Mhm.
word, one software is created based on this idea, right? Based on this idea,
Yes.
one software is created, or one object, one class is designed. What is the name? The name is IOC container, right? The name is IOC container, right? IOC container is
Yes.
the implementation. You know all the things I already explained. Okay. So now can you please tell me? Okay. So here try to understand. For example, not here. What is our code? This is our code actually. So this is our dependency management, right? This is our dependency management, or consider the dependency injection. Consider the dependency injection. So who inject the dependency? Can you please tell me who inject the dependency? Who inject the dependency? Who inject the dependency? Can you please tell me who inject the dependency?
IOC container.
IOC container only, right? IOC container. So can I say, for
Yeah.
example, this is your IOC, right? What does mean by IOC? You already know some design, some rules, or some big idea. And what is the idea? Can you please tell me what is the idea? Okay, I hope you can please. Okay, you will revise. I hope what is the idea already. So can I say like someone say like, for example, this is dependency injection. This is the dependency injection. This dependency injection is a solution, right? Not solution actually. Actually, one kind of pattern, one kind of design pattern, right?
Mhm.
Design pattern, right? What does mean by design
Yes.
pattern means one kind of solution. One kind of solution means what? One kind of process. This dependency injection is telling how to implement the IOC, right?
Mhm.
For example, this is your IOC container. This IOC container is telling, okay, what to do, right? Yes or no? What to do, right?
Mhm.
And consider
Yes.
this is your dependency injection, right? DI, dependency injection. You can say, can you please tell me what is dependency injection? Is a design pattern, right?
Mhm.
Or can I
Yeah.
say one kind of strategy or technique? Okay, technique, right? Or like design technique, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Can you please confirm me? Are you getting or not?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
So this technique is telling how to implement IOC, right? Okay,
Mhm.
technique is used to what boss? Like implement IOC, right? Is it okay? Can I say like this way?
Yes.
Simply a design pattern
Mhm.
or technique or a strategy, design strategy, okay? Or design strategy or design technique, okay? Or the approach or the process, okay? It is telling, hey boss, IOC is telling what to do, what kind of activity you do, and it is telling how to do, right? It is telling the solution or the process or the way, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
That's right. Okay. Tells how to do, okay? And IOC, this principle, okay, tells what to do. Is it okay? Any confusion? Any confusion? And what does mean by IOC container?
No.
Please answer me. What is IOC container? What is IOC container?
IOC container, which are that all rules and principles of its container.
Please answer technically answer. What is IOC container? Can you repeat it again?
IOC container that follow the IOC principles.
Okay, it's okay, follow the IOC container, but this is actually what? This is the actual implementation, right? Actual code, okay?
Mhm.
Or actual framework or actual implementation. Are you getting my point? Implementation, right?
Mhm.
Should I repeat again?
No, sir.
Okay, you know this IOC container or Spring IOC container, right? Okay, it implements what? Implements. Okay, it implements what? IOC, right? IOC using dependency injection. Can I say like this way? It
Yes.
implements IOC using dependency injection, right? Okay, I think no need to explain anything. Have you got some basic idea? What is IOC? What is dependency injection? What is IOC container? I have to
Mhm.
explain in detail, okay? So mainly
Yes.
most of the people they make the student confused, like IOC versus DI, IOC versus DI. But this is the actual thing actually. Whatever the explanation, but whatever I discussed, this is the actual thing or actual explanation. Should I repeat anything right now?
No, sir.
Person, are you getting my point?
IOC container is a implementation.
This is the actual code, right? This is the actual code. You are writing the actual code. We are calling this code is the IOC container, right? Okay. We are
Yes,
implementing IOC.
injection.
We are implementing
Mhm.
IOC, but we are using this technique, right? We are using this technique, right? You know, to solve a
Okay.
mathematical
Okay.
problem. You follow various technique, right? Yes or no? Even in your differentiation, integration, or in your algebra, whatever, you are applying different kinds of technique, right? Or tricks, I can say, right?
Mhm.
Maybe
Mhm.
it's famous for tricks. Okay. In general, I'll leave this one. So have you got the point? So this tricks actually you can say
And
dependency injection, okay?
yes,
Design
Okay.
pattern, technique, okay? Any confusion? Should
Got it.
I repeat anything?
no, sir.
No, sir, no, got it.
What is dependency management? Okay, leave this one. Okay. So right now, I'll explain in details dependency injection, but why I am not explaining here? Because I want to show you three things at a time. Now understand. Okay, leave everything. I am able to cover two main things. What is IOC container? What is IOC container? And what is dependency management, right? Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Is it okay to understand this two point? What is IOC container and
yes.
dependency management?
Mhm.
Mhm.
Okay. Today I explain dependency management and also I explain IOC container. Leave this one. Any other class? Leave this one. Okay. So consider now. Let's come to the code. Consider this is our class. This is our class. So any class, right? Any class we can configure. We can configure with IOC container. Can you please tell me how many ways? How many ways?
Two.
Two ways: manual configuration and auto configuration. How many ways of manual configuration? How many styles of manual
Three
configuration?
ways.
Three.
Three ways.
Manual 3.
XML based, Java
XML,
based,
Java,
Java ways.
annotation.
Annotation ways.
Okay, now let me learn simply three things. Then I hope you are able to understand so many things. Okay, at a time, let me learn. Okay, so ignore all the things. Okay, right now I want to configure a class. Use it using what? Using what, boss? Can you please tell me using what? Using Java-based configuration, right?
Java ways.
Java-based configuration. Okay, Java-based configuration. So now, right now, please tell me means what? I want to ignore the XML file, right? Without XML file, I want to write our code, right? This is our target. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Can you
Yes.
please tell me, should I continue or should I stop?
Mhm.
Continue, sir.
Yes, so continue.
Okay. Now, this, okay. Okay. So, I think, okay, let me create another package, right? Let me create another package.
I think another link, sir. 1 minute is
Okay, don't worry.
remaining.
I'll provide. Okay. Like, so, for example, okay, what? For example, okay, configuration, okay, simply config, okay, means configuration, right? Is it okay?
Hmm. Simple package.
Any confusion of now?
No, sir.
So what we want actually, okay, we can configure any class with IOC container using three ways, right? What is the way? XML based configuration, Java based
Java ways.
configuration,
Annotation ways.
and annotation based, okay? Or in our program, in our project, we can use at a time we can use three, we can use the mix, okay? Okay, at a time we can use this three kind of configuration, right? Or if we want, we can do everything using XML. We want, we can use using Java-based configuration. If the screen is not shared, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No. Not.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Binoy, can you see my screen?
Yes, we are writing on the screen, the red
Can you check for
Yeah.
again?
Java-based annotation.
Okay.
Does you're not saying?
Yeah.
Just observe Java-based configuration or annotation-based configuration. Okay, or mainly we can use the combination of Java-based configuration and annotation-based configuration. So most of the people say Java-based means simultaneously they are using, okay, interchangeably they are using this name Java-based or annotation-based. Most of the people are categorizing like this way. They're telling like this way. Mainly there are two kinds of manual configuration. One is XML-based configuration, another is Java-based or annotation-based. Okay, leave about this type. This is not our tags or not our heading. Try to understand. So here, what we want to do actually. So consider that we do all the things from the name. Consider any class. Okay, any class name like demo config class. Okay, demo config. Right? Is it okay?
Hmm.
Close. Okay. So consider, for example, let me write the constructor like public demo config. Okay, like this out. Okay, like constructor. Okay, object is creating, right? Is it okay?
Hmm.
Yes. And method,
Hmm.
for example, public void. Okay, like M1. Let me write here M1 name, like this out. Okay, I am inside demo config. Anything is fine. Any confusion up to now?
No,
No.
sir.
So what is our target right now? What is our target right now?
Java-based configuration.
Configuration, right? We want to ignore
Yeah.
XML-based configuration, right? Okay. Is it okay?
Hmm.
See what I did, nothing more than this. Simply I created one package and I created one class, right? So right now, can you please tell me, is this class is a Spring Bean class? Is this class is a Spring Bean class?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So what we want actually? What we want? Please answer.
Configure.
Okay. We want to configure, right? We want to configure this class.
Yeah.
To configure this class. For the configuration, there are three ways: XML-based, annotation-based, Java-based. Okay. Simply observe. So I hope you got this point. We are not writing or we are not using application context.xml instead of application context.xml. And another point, I'm not writing any note, right? So it's your responsibility to make the note, right? I hope you will watch the video and you will make your own note, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that I can explain more things. Okay, in this time, I can explain more things. Okay. So consider, I hope you got this point. Instead of application context.xml, instead of XML file, I need to write one word. I need to write one interface or one class. Which one? One class, right? One setting class, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Hmm.
Simply I'm writing here, nothing more than this. Okay, like new. Instead of application context.xml, right? I am writing this class. Okay. Can you please tell me any name? Okay, for example, app config, right? Your
Yeah.
name full name, app config. Okay, any name. Okay. So after any confusion, I didn't do anything. Simply I created one class, a core Java program. Okay, and I created one class. In this class, I will configure, right? So you can say this is our setting class, right? This file
Hmm.
is application context XML file. This is our setting. Right now, instead of this setting file, we want to use another class, right? Another class and method, right? Class and what?
Method.
Only class and
Method.
so this is called actually Java-based configuration. Leave this now. Observe. So we are okay. So to indicate the IOC container actually. Okay, to say the IOC container, we are using one annotation, one beautiful annotation, right? Maybe you know about the annotation. What is the purpose of annotation? With this one. So we are using one annotation, one beautiful annotation. Simply the name is configuration, right? Name is what? Configuration.
Configuration.
If I write like this way, configuration. Okay. So this class is, but first of all, let me write configuration. Okay.
See,
Okay. So it is telling, here IOC container was. Do you know something? Don't know. Here IOC container. Okay. In my class, inside this class means inside this application config class, I have the configuration, right? I have the bin. I have the bin. Should I repeat again?
No, sir.
Okay. Simply this configuration tells, hey, IOC container, I have the bin. I have the bin or I am the bin. Which one? Please tell me.
I have the bin.
I have
I
the
have.
bin. You got the point. Not I am. I am the bin. Okay. This is not. This is not actually. Let me write it cross. Okay. Actually, what is the answer? I have the bin. Okay.
I have.
Mm.
Yeah.
Have you got the point? What is the meaning of configuration annotation?
Yes,
Okay.
I have the bin.
So I hope this is the quite common sense actually. Sorry. So we need to write some method, right? We need to write some method. We need to write some method. For example, so in this class, this is your configuration class. This is your configuration class. Okay. So simply you are writing some method was nothing. Here in this configuration context. So simply you are writing like this, right? B. Okay. Observe, try to understand. Instead of this tag, right? Instead of this bin tag, we are using one annotation. Can you please tell me what is the name of the annotation?
Bin.
Alternate pins.
At the red bin.
Have you got the point? What is the corresponding thing? Yeah. Exactly, boss. You are right.
Yeah.
Exactly, you are right. Okay. Now tell me, instead of this line, right? Instead of this line, I need to use something, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So simply, can you guess? For this one, we are using one class name, right? But for this one, we should use one method. We should use what?
Method.
Method pin.
The method return type is what? The method return type is our bin. The method, what is the return type of the method?
Bin.
Bin.
Yes.
Have you got my point?
Okay.
Sir, method return type means bin means object.
Yeah, bin means what? Bin means what? What does mean by bin?
Objects. It means what are the objects? It means
Exactly.
these objects. These objects.
Now, yeah, exactly. Now apply your core Java. Apply your core Java knowledge. Nothing more than this. I'm trying to make it very simple. Apply your core Java knowledge.
Okay.
Just tell me, public integer m1. Okay, any name, right? Any name. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the return type?
Int.
Int.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Int.
Yes.
So I want to return an object. For example, demo content. Can you please tell me how to write? Apply your core Java.
Public
Public.
demo config.
Why remaining people are signing on a demo config then?
Demo config em1.
Any method name, right? Any method name.
Yes. Any.
Okay?
Yeah.
Your wish, any method name. Okay. Or M1 is fine. And what is the return type?
New demo. Return in new demo.
Of that. You can
Object.
create one object. You can create one object.
Object, yes.
Object. New
demo.
demo config, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
You can create the object and you can store the reference anywhere like A and you can return a, right? Yes or no?
Return a, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Only, right? Or Java or something I'm explaining new. Which one? Or Java only.
Yeah.
Can I return directly like this way? I want to skip one line. Can I return like this way directly? Return.
Yes.
Can I return like
Yeah.
if you can understand, you should revise your code Java again, okay? Should I repeat again?
No, sir. Thanks.
No. Clear.
Please tell me. Okay. Okay. So now please tell me. Can you please tell me how to what method I should write?
Public.
Public. I want to return demo config. Tell me. Demo config, right?
Demo config.
Demo config.
One method.
Any method name, like for example,
Method name.
Demo config.
demo config. Okay. And what is the return type?
Hmm.
First of all, you can create one object.
A return new
Yeah,
demo.
new config,
Config any
simply
return demo config, right? Is it okay?
yes.
I don't
Yeah,
like.
yeah.
Okay. Can I directly return? Can I directly return like this way? Is it okay?
Of course.
Any confusion
Yes, sir.
on this? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Similar.
No, confident.
You got the point. Good. You got the speak. Okay. So simply we are using one special annotation, right? This is a normal method, right? This is what?
No,
Normal
So we are
class
using one annotation. This
method.
annotation will have string container. This is the method. The return type of the method is a main. Okay. Okay. The return type of the method is what? Main.
Main.
We are using one annotation. Can you guess? Can you guess the annotation name?
Spring.
At the rate beans.
Spring. At the rate spring.
Beans.
At the rate.
Bean.
In annotation context.
It is telling me. It tests that string, right? Okay. This is the. Let me write here it. Okay, it tests the string container actually. Can you please tell me? Or IOC container. Okay, IOC container. Okay. The return type. The return type. The return type of the method, right?
This main.
Type of the method is a bin, right? Any confusion to understand?
Yeah.
No, sir.
No.
But don't ask this question. I said string container should create the object, but why we are creating the object here, right? Okay. Manually, we are writing the code to create the object, right? Yeah, okay. Is it okay? But string container will manage everything. Is it okay, boss? So don't ask like this. Now you told me string container will create everything, will create the object. Okay, manage the object. Okay, everything is manage the life cycle. Everything is managed by string container. But here we are writing. Yeah, boss. In this Java-based configuration, simply we are writing the code to create the object, but Spring will take care of all the things. Okay, is it okay? Spring will call our codes. Okay, our code, I repeat again. We are writing the code. Okay, our code, or we are returning the object to the Spring container, right? We are returning. We return the object to the Spring container, and the Spring container manages everything, right? Okay, just simple difference. Okay. Instead of Spring IOC container, simply we are getting this simple difference, nothing more than this. Any confusion to understand Java-based configuration? Should I repeat again?
No.
Should I repeat again? So we
No,
are
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
we are manually using two annotation. Can you please tell me what is the name of the annotation?
Configuration. Add that configuration.
What is the purpose of configuration? I have a bin or I am in bin.
I have a bin.
What is the purpose of add the bin? The return type of the method is? The return type of the method.
It's return the objects. Yes.
Okay, or the method returns a bin, right? The method returns a bin. So this is a very simple. No need to write. No need to write what? No need to write XML, any XML file. Should I repeat again? Please tell me. Have you got my point or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah, clear.
Control S.
Got it.
Can you check for this purpose? This is our main method, right? No main method. So please let me write one program. Please help me give that class. Run me, okay? Anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yes.
Then main method. Okay. Can you please tell me how to create the IOC container?
Oh,
are we using
here.
Are we using XML?
No, sir.
No.
Not XML.
No.
We use file system. And if we use XML, then file system XML application context or class path XML application context. Right? You know what is the difference between file system and class path? But are we using XML?
No, sir.
No.
Not using.
Class path.
Annotation.
Annotated.
Annotation Config, not
Annotation config,
config, config,
con-
application.
application context.
So how to create new annotation config application context, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Should I repeat?
Notation config.
Any confusion?
Okay. No, no,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, boss. Now, please help me. I forgot. Tell me how to write. New then?
New annotation
Annotate.
config,
Okay.
annotation config,
Then
application,
config. Okay.
application
Application
context.
context. Yeah, आ गया.
Container. Container.
Application context.
Or any confusion? Any confusion? So what will happen, boss? What
No,
will,
sir.
can you please tell me what will happen?
It's created IOC container with the help of annotation config application context.
I'm using Control X. Just 1 minute. Delete. What? Let me use. Okay. I'm directly using annotation config application context. Any confusion if I write like this way?
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Any confusion after now? I have there is no question. So can you please tell me what will happen next? One IOC
Container.getBin.
on IOC
Hmm.
container or object will be created. Where this object will be created? In the heap memory, right?
Yeah.
Heap memory.
You know the JVM memory, static memory, stack memory. Okay. You see register, native stack memory with this one. Okay. So one IOC container will be created. Okay. But we need to register. We need to register what? We need to register this.
Demo config.
We need to register what? We need
Register the
to configuration.
demo configuration class.
We
Yes.
need to register, right? Yes or no?
Hmm.
Yes.
Mhm.
Can you please tell me how to register hey container? Boss.
Container.register.
Okay. Right now your IOC container doesn't know about this class. Okay. Please register. Which one? Which one was? App config.
Demo config.
App config.
No. Demo config is ours. I think it's my bad. Okay.
Demo.
Because of config, maybe you are getting some mistake. Okay. It's 1 minute. Demo. I hope right now there is no problem, right?
Hmm.
I change the name, okay? I change the class name, right? Is it okay?
Yeah, okay.
Is it okay, boss?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Setting file is
The
app
application.
config.
What is the return type? Demo config, right?
Hmm.
Tell me any confusion after now?
No.
No.
So now please tell me what I should say. Hey, container.
Register app config dot class.
Dot class, okay?
Yes.
Any
So
confusion?
can we write multiple
Yeah, why not? We can write multiple, but
with the separator of comma?
obviously, for example, another class. Okay. For example, tell me like dbconfig, okay, dbconfig dot class. I'm explaining, don't worry. dbconfig dot class, right? We can explain, okay? Is it okay? Multiple class, okay? No issues. Okay, boss?
Yes, sir.
Or if you want, you can write in different line. A container, a container dot register.
Container.
Okay. Sorry,
More than one register method.
register, right? Register. You can
Separate.
db config, okay? db config dot. Okay, you can do like this. No issues. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Or at the same time you can config, okay? And this, okay, you need to refresh. It is okay, compulsorily you have to refresh, okay? Otherwise it doesn't work, okay? You need to refresh. Simply use one method container. Like, please refresh right now. Everything is fine. Is it okay, boss? Tell me, is it okay or not?
Yeah.
Should I repeat anything again? First of all, we have created object. We have created the IOC container. Then simply we are registering, right? We are registering this one, okay? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Please answer any confusion. And the important thing, you should use the refresh method, okay? other, if you use replace method means if you use replace method, then only execution will be started, right?
Okay.
If you don't,
IOC container created, but
execution will not be okay. There is no execution. Okay. So okay, now first of all, can I run? Can I run right now? Can I run a container?
yes, sir. No.
I want to get
Container dot.
the which bin was demo bin, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Any confusion?
No.
Let me run that.
Bean dot m1.
Control Shift X Z. So okay, that means what?
Yeah.
Whenever we are creating, whenever we are registering object. After that, I am writing on this method. Okay, sys out. Okay, like line 1. Okay, control S. Control Shift X Z. That means what? First of all, what will happen? Can you please tell me? One object or container will be created, and this line will be executed. Okay, na? Then whenever we are registering, the IOC container will load this class, and create all the objects. Yes or no? Is it okay?
Then refresh. Yeah.
Let me repeat again.
No.
sir.
Object is already available. Right? Demo object is already available. Can I use?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any confusion right now? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Bean dot method.
What is it? M1 or other? Just 1 minute. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, M1.
M1. Yeah, M1.
Control S or Shift X. Okay. And Shift X. So have you got the point?
Yeah, I'm inside.
Any XML configuration?
Yes.
Can you please tell me?
Yeah, sir.
XML configuration. So is it okay? Have you got the point? What is Java-based configuration?
Yeah, sir.
So let me delete right now this line. If you want pause, whenever you are creating IOC container, at this time you can pass your application config, right? App config, okay? Okay. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Even you can pass multiple class, okay? IOP will note everything. IOP will note everything like DB config, okay? You can pass multiple class, okay? Class. Have you got my point?
Yes.
Why?
Yeah.
Because there is no class like, okay, like a dot config. No issues, you can pass multiple class. Have you got my point?
Yes.
Okay. And really good. So first of all, let me show this one also. Let me see. To comment. Any confusion up to now? Can you please help me? Any confusion?
Sir, container dot replace. Can we write or not?
Internally, your IOC container will call the replace method, right? But you no need to write again the
Yes.
replace method, okay? Is it okay, boss?
Yeah.
Let
Yes.
me just let me change something anywhere so that you can understand. Object is creating again. I am the demo class, okay? And inside demo class. Now understand. Okay, all Shift X. Object is creating again. I am inside demo class. Have you got the point? The Java-based configuration.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let me explain some more interview question also. Okay. Then I'm explaining annotation based configuration. Some more. Okay. So we are passing. I hope you got this point. We can register in multiple ways, right? Whenever if we can pass multiple class or single class, or externally we can register externally, right? Externally we can register, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? But if you want, okay, let me read it here. Let me read this class. Or better to read. Shift N, Control C, Control V. Let me comment, right? I hope there is no confusion, right?
No, sir.
Okay, it's understandable. If you want, okay, can you please tell me right now what will happen one uh simply what will happen? Can you please tell me one container will be created, right?
Hmm.
Mhm.
If you want, but if you want directly, you can pass directly. Uh, for example, you don't want to pass the configuration. This is your package, right? This is what? This is your package, right? This is what? Config. This is what? This is your package, right?
Config, yeah.
If you want directly, you can pass this package. Okay, means you can scan. You can scan this package. You are telling, hey, IOC container boss. I don't know in which class configuration is available. So please, you should scan. You should scan this package, right?
Okay.
You should scan what?
Package name.
And it's your responsibility because in this package, I have 100 class. I don't know how many classes component annotation, how many classes service annotation, repository annotation, configuration annotation. I don't know. Or even it is difficult for me. So please scan this package for me. And if you find any configuration and component or service repository, I will explain later. Don't worry. If you find any configuration, please do your task. Okay. So you can say you can order to the IOC container. Can you please tell me how to order a container? Hmm. Please scan or register.
Container.scan.
Scan. Okay. Which package was?
com.z.config.
Simply you copy Control C. Are you asking anything? Yeah, obviously we can get multiple configuration personally. Why not? You are
Like
right.
that, if we have one package and inside 100 of classes,
Yeah,
configuration classes. So
multiple configuration.
one not right in that class, so you can just type of package name.
Okay.
Mhm.
In compulsorily,
Yeah, yes.
you have to call the refresh method, right? Container dot please tell
Um,
refresh, right? Is it okay?
mhm.
So you will get the same answer. Let me change something here. Again, right? I'm object is creating again. Okay. Like anything by scaling. Okay, package, right?
Yes.
That will have or should text. Nothing more than this. Understand? So are you getting? We are getting the same thing, right? So I mean, what you can configure, you can do multiple things also, right? Is it okay?
Yes.
Is it the point?
Yes.
Course, if you want, you can pass multiple package name. Okay, is it okay? Download.
Yes. More than one package.
Yeah, yes, I got.
Okay, download CG anything. Okay. Array boss, why we are passing right now? Why we are passing? At the time of creation, we can pass. At the time of creation, we can pass. Is it okay?
Inside the application context, yes.
Okay. There are multiple recension. It's your
Yeah.
responsibility to make your own group. Okay. Control it.
Okay.
Do I need to change anything, or you can understand?
Yeah, understand, sir.
Yes. Again. All sheet text, right? Are you observing? Scanning.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Mhm.
Yes.
Because the name is too lengthy. Simply you can pass this root package. Okay. Root package.
Star.
Only
Dot star.
so it will search the root package com. It will search
com.st.
child package. Okay. Right? Child package. Child package means
Yeah.
com dot something. Okay. This is considered as child package. Okay. Is it okay?
Mhm. Yeah.
Have you got my point?
Yes.
Mhm.
So yes, on sheet X. Okay. So there are various types of combination, right? Have you got my point?
Mhm.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Same things here also, same things here also. And you can check by yourself different things. Okay. Should I repeat again? Should I repeat again anything?
No, sir.
So sir, I got Java based configuration, right? Any confusion? Just the basic idea.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Now what I should do?
Unprepared, yes.
Sorry.
Annotation.
Yeah, annotation.
Annotation base.
Do I need to create another package? Okay, let me create another package. Just 1 minute. Class. Okay, right. Not class. Okay. Just 1 minute. Of like annotation. Okay. Then what, for example, of demo. Can I copy everything from here? No, I need to copy just
Yes.
simply, for example, simply void. Okay, or for example, public demo. This out. This creating, right? And one method like public void m1. Okay,
Void.
this case.
Yes.
Okay, control S. If you use this case, if you use this case, then control space, you will get some. You will get system.out.println with some messages. Leave this one, anything. Ignore this one. Then what? Like new. Okay. So one main class, right? Array ram main was. So this is our main class, right? Is it okay, boss?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. How to create new annotation on the application context, right?
Application context. Yes.
Let's see. Control space. Okay. Control 1. Okay. Like container. Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Just understand. Within a moment, I'm explaining control S. So demo.java. So simply, if I use at the rate configuration annotation, what will happen? Can you please tell me?
Configuration, yes.
Will happen? Please answer.
Yes.
The Spring container. I have one.
I have been.
Okay. But right now, I don't want to like this way. I don't like this way. I want to mean, hey boss. I am the bean class itself. I'm the bean class itself. Okay. So that is
Okay. Then we use another annotation.
what is the name? Component, right? Component. Okay. Nothing more than this was using annotation. We are doing everything. So it is called annotation based configuration, right?
Mhm.
If you want, you can register or directly you can pass. What is the class name? Demo.java, right?
Demo. Yeah, yeah. Component means demo, yes. Read.
Class.
Okay, boss.
Yeah.
So can I select this right now? Hey, container, boss. Okay. Get bin.
Demo.
Get bin is one. Demo class, okay. Demo class, okay. Open one. Okay, anyway, bin, okay. Like bin dot m1, right? So let's get. So have you got the
Object
point?
is created.
What is annotation based configuration? What is Java based configuration? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is XML based configuration? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The annotation ways.
Simply in the annotation based configuration, are we using any class to configure object? Understand, please, here. Please focus here.
There is no need to create the configuration class.
This is our demo.java, right? So to configure, we will need another class, right? F4. So in this
Take.
class, we are configuring, right? We are configuring using a class and main method, right? But here we are not using any class, right? Here we are not using any external class. Directly we are using the annotation, right?
Component.
We are using the annotation. So people say this is the annotation based configuration. Is it clear? Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then,
Okay.
Okay, then next I will explain IoT both the basic idea and I'll explain to you how to set the name and other external thing also. But what is your responsibility? Let me tell me. Please, first of all, you can make your notes. You can watch again and please practice by yourself. Okay, I'm just taking your class, and if you don't practice, there is no use. Whatever. I'm talking something new later. But please confirm me, do you have any kind of question? Question means technical question, not other question. If you don't understand anything, enough. Okay. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Any question? Confusion? Then let me stop the recording and I'm going to do something.
So